If you're looking for a simple way to manage event ticketing, Uniqode might just be the tool you're searching for. But is it the best option for your needs? Let's break down how Uniqode works for event ticketing and see if it's really the solution you're looking for. First, Uniqode provides an intuitive platform that allows you to create and sell tickets for events with ease. You can set up events quickly, choosing from a variety of ticket types, such as general admission, VIP, or early bird. It also allows for easy customization of ticket layouts and options. So far, so good, right? Next thing to consider is its ticketing features. Unicode gives you the ability to track sales and manage seating arrangements. You can create different pricing tiers and adjust them in real time, which is great for events that are constantly evolving, like festivals or conferences. However, while this is a solid feature, it lacks the advanced reporting and analytics that some other ticketing platforms provide. If you're looking for detailed insights into your ticket sales or attendee demographics, you might feel a bit limited with Unicode. The fourth thing is the payment processing. Unicode integrates with common payment systems, including credit cards and PayPal, making it easy for your attendees to buy tickets. But here's the catch: transaction fees can add up. For larger events, these fees could be a deal breaker, especially if you're working with tight margins. It's a solid system, but not the most cost-efficient for high-volume sales. Another aspect worth mentioning is the customer support. Unicode provides 24/7 support, which is fantastic, but it's not always the most responsive. Depending on your level of urgency, you might find yourself waiting for a response longer than you'd like. This is something to keep in mind if you're running a large event with a lot of moving parts. Now, let's talk about the platform scalability. Unicode works great for smaller to mid-sized events, but when it comes to large events with thousands of attendees, you might start to notice some slowdowns or limitations. Other platforms like Eventbrite or Ticketmaster may offer more robust infrastructure for handling huge events seamlessly. Finally, let's talk about the competition. While Unicode offers an easy-to-use platform, there are other ticketing software solutions that offer more powerful tools. For example, Eventbrite provides a far more extensive suite of event management features, like event promotion, integrated marketing tools, and better event analytics. If you're serious about event ticketing, you might find the additional capabilities offered by Eventbrite worth the trade-off in price. But here's the twist: if you're after something even more specialized for event ticketing, with better payment processing, support, and reporting features, there are alternatives out there that are truly worth considering. And I've got something special for you. If you follow the link in the description, not only will you get exclusive access to an extended free trial for Unicode, but you'll also get a peek at some amazing alternatives that might be better suited to your goals. Plus, they offer their own free trials too. So if you're serious about managing your event ticketing with efficiency, scalability, and power, make sure to check out our exclusive offers and free trials. Trust me, you'll want to explore the best options available.